Hello, in this video I want to show you how to unpack your RAR or ZIP files on Doogee S98 using app called RAR. So first of all you will need to get this app, then let's find the files that we want to unpack, and mine are located in DCIM and then camera. Here select the file that you want to unpack. Also there's multiple ways we can unpack it, but I'm just going to show you the simple one. So click on this RAR file. Here, click on the arrow pointing up icon, click on browse, and you'll be able to pick where to unpack these files. So for me it's gonna be movies folder. After that select OK, and now let's move to the movies folder again. And here's the two files that we've just unpacked. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.